So it is a Saturday morning and we are in Kanchanaburi.
Yeah, we got in here last night. We got a 2.5-hour minivan from Mo Chit in Bangkok, and we checked into a super nice resort called Ban Pleng.
The guy who owns the hotel is like chauffeuring us around today. He's insane, but he's so sweet.
Yeah, he's like taking us out for coffee to this really nice place called
The Village Farm to Cafe.
Yeah.
It's like it looks essentially like a giant greenhouse, and there's like hanging plants from the ceiling, really tall vaulted ceiling, so it's really pretty and nestled into the mountains here, so.
Yeah. So for today we plan to go to Erawan National Park. We're about to, the driver's about to take us to rent a motorbike, and then we will head out there and we will take you guys with us.
Yeah, so we'll show you around. Right now we are on the bridge over the River Kwai, which, as the name suggests, runs over the River Kwai, and it was built in World War II by Asian laborers and prisoners of war from England, Australia, and the US. And it's a really big tourist attraction here. There's always a ton of people here, and you're actually allowed to like walk on the railroad tracks. Obviously up until the train comes, but it's good for photos if you can escape the herds of people here.
Hey guys, so we just got to Erawan National Park. It took, Google Maps said it was meant to take like an hour and 10 minutes, but we had a motorbike, so it's a bit slower, and I feel like we've just had the longest journey of our lives.
It was probably like an hour and a half.
I can't feel my backside right now, basically. But yeah, no, it took about an hour and a half to get here, and we're about to hike up to the water floor. We're about to hike up to the... Alright, no worries. We're about to hike up to the waterfall, and it's going to take about, how long does it take, like an hour?
I think it takes about an hour depending on how fast we go.
There's 7 sort of tiers that you have to go up.
Yeah, so Erawan National Park is one of like the most famous of all national parks in Thailand, and it's home to the Erawan waterfall, which is 7 tiers, and it spans about like 1.5 kilometers in total. It's really pretty, and there's like emerald pools at each like tier, and so you can stop up at everyone and swim and eat, and there's like picnic tables, so it's a really good place to spend the day if you're in Kanchanaburi. And it's 300 baht entrance fee for foreigners and 100.
It's 100 for Thai nationals, but it's 20 baht for the motorbikes. You have to pay for whatever car or motorbike you're bringing. I think it's 40 baht for a car and 20 baht for a motorbike.
Yeah, and you can also get here, you can hire like a taxi or a sung tao.
Or buses go here as well.
Yeah, so there's different ways you can get here. If you feel comfortable driving on a motorbike, it is a really scenic, pretty drive, and the road is like fine. So yeah, otherwise
we're gonna quickly get some refreshments to fuel us, and then we're gonna head up.
See you inside.
No, it's fine. So we just...
Your voice just dropped like 100 octaves.
Guys. Hey guys, so we are currently just about to eat dinner. We finished at the national park and it was freezing and it took us like an hour and something to get back, and that's why I'm wearing a jacket and trousers, because I'm absolutely freezing. Kelly obviously didn't pack a jacket because she's irresponsible like that. We're also vlogging on my phone because we had a bit of an accident. Well, Kelly had an accident.
Lost our vlog camera.
Kelly lost her vlog camera.
I don't know how and or why. I think it was in my jean pocket, and then when we were taking I'm gonna just chalk it up to like someone stole it.
It could have been a lot worse. We could have lost something a little bit more valuable. But yeah, no, it's fine.
We're just gonna have to like fake like re-vlog. We're here at the Erawan National Park.
Yeah, we stopped off at Blue Rice Restaurant, which is part of a resort, and they're meant to have really, really good food, and it's right on the water. So we're gonna stop here, have a bit of food, and then we're gonna go to the street market, have a look around there, and we might head out to see what the nightlife is like as well. So
to be determined.
It's to be determined. But other than that, we will show you some of our food.
Hey guys, so I just want everyone to know that Kit had the vlog camera the whole time and made me seem like I was a idiot and left it on a rock somewhere as we're taking pictures.
I'm so happy we didn't go up to like number 7.
What do you have to say for yourself?
I mean, you misplaced it.
I'm gonna kill you. Literally, I knew I didn't leave it on a rock. And now I'm $150 richer. Less poor. Is that actually a lizard?
Inside that plug?
Yeah.
The tail was out and the head's on the other side.
Oh my god, really?
Go check.
I can't tell if you're fucking with me. Oh my god, its head
What I'm saying is it dead?
I don't...
We just finished at the JEATH War Museum. We're not really supposed to film in here, so we're not going to do that because we don't want to be disrespectful, but it's definitely something that you should visit. It's open from 8:30 to 4:30 and it's 50 baht for the ticket.
So basically the Thai Burma Railway, so we took you to the bridge over the River Kwai, which was part of the railway, but hundreds of thousands of prisoners of war and Asian laborers were forced to work on this railway. They had to put in sometimes like 18 hours a day. They were fed nothing but vegetables and rice, and it was really terrible working conditions. So there's a bunch of little memorials around Kanchanaburi that you can go to and like pay your respect to them and find out more about what happened, and the JEATH War Museum is just one of them. There's also the Hellfire Pass, which will include information in the story, but we're not going to today because we have to head out this afternoon and it's kind of far from where we are. So
yeah, we're just not going to have enough time to do that this time around, so next time for sure.
But there will be, again, information about that in the story, so definitely head to the JEATH War Museum if you're here. And from here, we are going to take you to the cemetery in town. So yeah, see you there.
We'll see you in a bit.
So we decided against Hellfire Pass, and instead we have taken you to West Wonders, which is a water park in Kanchanaburi.
Yeah, we've basically got like the whole water park to ourselves. There's like nobody here at all. So.
It's 300 baht per ticket, which is around $9. So we will...
And it's right in the middle of the town as well, so it's super easy to get to.
It's just hilarious, there's really no one here, so we're like about to go ham.
Yeah, we will show you guys around.
Oh my god, you literally came down so fast.
Let's go. I'm ready. I'm confident.
My lips are so chapped. Hey guys, so we have just gotten back from Kanchanaburi. We were thinking about going elsewhere for the long weekend, but we're kind of beat, and the buses that went to like neighboring cities and provinces didn't have aircon, and they were all like a 3-hour ride. So instead,
That makes us sound like such divas.
I mean, but just know, like, I'm not a diva, but I'm tired. And like, okay, anyway, so we are back in Bangkok. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the national park.
As you can see, like, I'm in a hoodie. For some reason, Bangkok has decided to be really cold. I think it's like taken the coldness from Kanchanaburi with us.
Brought it back to our apartment.
Brought it back to our apartment, yeah. So, but yeah, we hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you are a new viewer, please like and subscribe because we upload videos every Tuesday. You can just press on our logo at the bottom right corner.
And we publish stories every Monday and Thursday, so be on the lookout for those. And then a story on Kanchanaburi, and more information on that will be in a link in the description below.
All our social media handles will also be in the link below, so please give us a follow and a like on them too.
I think that's it this week, so thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.
Peace!
Oh my god, you got it all over you. Okay, ready? He's choking on his toasty. Yeah, but they're like crazy. I'm not.
He's coming for you.
Oh, literally don't do that. I mean, he's too fat. Like, I'm hoping I could outrun him.
Hey guys, so we just got up this morning and what did I say? So we got up this morning and we found some really nice cornfields. Hey guys, so we got up this morning and there was some really nice cornfields near our there were some really nice cornfields near our hotel. I think it has to go up the number.
Oh my god, my thingy is getting stuck.